This is actually really great. It goes to this that little yellow car he's got.
Yeah.
And you drive them around, and then they know where they are, and they interact. So it's got like a petrol station and a garage.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I like that. Good.
There's got a couple of cars in there. Should we show Grandma?
Yeah. Look at it.
So look at
Daddy.
Wow, this one
VTech
comes
thing.
with
That looks
a
really
hot
good.
rod.
Yeah.
So you see it's got like a ramp and a petrol station and a garage and all sorts.
You used to have a garage.
Yeah. Is it? What, you having fun?
Yeah.
Meow.
I like that.
Okay, so you put him in the petrol station like this.
Yeah.
He drives in. And you can hear us filling up. He's all filled up and ready to go. Here she goes. That's what I said. You kind of drive her in like this, see?